Tell me what LHR is.
So Longhorn Racing to me is a multidisciplinary engineering org that focuses on building race cars.
Ladies and gentlemen, your car of tomorrow.
Roads, we don't need.
Road. Solar-powered cars will be practical and necessary.
This car uses absolutely no gasoline.
Dreamland as a plane is this unique creation.
Welcome to the car of the future.
Over here we have our car Daybreak, which we've worked on for the past 2 years, and right now we're in the middle of fixing a few mechanical and electrical issues so that we can be ready for wheels down and competition. LHR first started for the combustion team. It started in 1980, and in 1981 was the first competition. The solar team had been around, but it wasn't a part of Longhorn Racing at the time. As a separate organization, it grew and then became part of Longhorn Racing under Longhorn Racing Solar.
There has been a story of success in the past, but there was a big drought. There was, I believe, at some point in time, the solar team was down to just 4 members. You know, being able to bounce back from that state to where we are now with around 100 members, so it really tells a lot about the commitment of all my teammates.
I mean, obviously the big milestone was ours the first time we've been to competition since the 3 years I've been on the team at all. So getting to go there, even though we weren't the most successful, was just a huge milestone for our team, and it's a benchmark for where we want to improve on in the future.
We're currently still in the design phases of the car, and so we recently had our design presentation called our PDR, and so what we get out of it was just how we want to move forward with suspension, steering, and unsprung.
We're trying to redo the wire harnessing of the car because we kind of did it in a rush in our last iteration, so this will be pretty impactful because we can really reduce the amount of weight in our car with proper wire management.
More than 95% of this wiring was done at our competition, as in outside of a trailer at night with tape measures to find the lengths. The harnessing is kind of way too long and chaotic, as we were just playing it safe and dumping wire onto the frame to get it to terminate so we could actually try and drive.
Luckily now we have a really organized software, and we're going to be able to kind of map out everything from start to finish and be a lot more precise with the kind of materials that we need. That's what Eplan enables us to do.
Trying to convert from KiCad to something like Eplan, it takes a little bit of a leap. So having the resources that Eplan's given us has been really nice, and so it's been a lot easier than I thought it would be.
Everyone comes to LHR for a reason, and just building a car isn't going to get everyone's dream fulfilled. So that's what I see LHR becoming in the future. More than a team that builds a car, but something that can help you pursue your passions, even outside of an automotive space.